putting out iridium satellite GPS collars on these deer so that we can monitor their movements.
So the primary reason we're doing the study is to look at potential of COVID or SARS setting up shop as a reservoir in our wildlife species.
But we don't really know if that's all due to spillover of SARS-CoV-2 from humans to deer. We know that's a large contributor, or if it's really driven by deer-to-deer transmission. And that's pretty important because if you think about it, if we're not getting infected, but there's another strain circulating in deer, that could spill back and kind of reinfect humans.
And this county was one of the counties that had deer that had tested positive for COVID-19 in our 2021-2022 deer hunting season. We actually have CWD in this area too, so we can actually study two diseases at the same time and what the disease dynamics may actually be with co-infection, potentially, if there are co-infections.
Essentially, the helicopter flies up, tries to find a group of deer, and then they flush them out into an open area where they can then use a net gun to trap the deer. They then secure the deer and bring it back to us.
It's very efficient. They're able to get on animals fast.
I think they said they have it down to about 20, 30 minutes. In terms of disease samples, we're taking a nasal swab for SARS-CoV-2. We're taking an oral swab for SARS-CoV-2. We're drawing blood because we want to look at antibodies in blood, so in serum. We're also taking an ear punch to get a CWD measure. We're doing a pretty comprehensive kind of view of the deer in terms of both disease and health.
Why would deer be positive? How are they interacting and getting this? And then the CWD, that's a devastating disease that we're trying to figure out what the best approach to minimize, expansion of the disease. So hopefully looking at movements and getting back to the collar data, if we have animals that disperse, meaning they leave the area, we'll know where they went and hopefully use that to try to figure out how this disease is spreading. So hopefully we can do something to stop it.